Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome. So this is basically a weight loss journey and this is week 6 update. Right, this week has not been good. As I said in the previous video, I'm on annual leave. That ends today. I'm back in work on Tuesday. But the week has not been good. There's been temptations. I didn't prep, as I mentioned in the previous video. We've had 2 pool parties with barbecue going and everything, so none of that has helped. So the weather's not been so great, but as a family, because we didn't go away on holiday as planned due to Corona and lockdown and everything, we thought to make the most of staying at home. So we did the pool parties, had friends and family around, so that was fun. That was good to see them, but unfortunately temptation everywhere, not the right foods or not as much of the right foods to eat. So this week has not been great. I've just relaxed. I haven't fasted as I should or as I wanted to, and yeah, I've had carbs, a lot more carbs than I planned to. So this week I've gained, unfortunately, I've gained weight. I've gained roughly 2.6 kilos, which a lot of it is water gain. So I know when I get back to normal routine of fasting and everything, that should hopefully come off quite quickly. And I've not even bothered to measure myself because I know I have probably gained inches and things like that. So I'm just gonna scrap this week like it never happened and just start again. So beginning of week 7, I'm getting back on track. So that means starting my fast. So Monday, I'm gonna fast 24 hours leading into Tuesday, and then I'm gonna break with my dinner. If I get hungry or should I say if I get too hungry, I will listen to my body and I will eat, and I'll probably break with one of my JuicePlus shakes. As I mentioned in previous videos, it's low carb, low calorie meal replacement, and it's very good. So and that's what I used mostly to achieve my initial 17-pound weight loss, which the video I'll put the link above so you can see that video. So yes, I'll start fasting again, and then I have meal prepped for this week. I've done the cooking videos for that, and that will be at the end of this video. So if you want to see the food that I'm having this week and what I've prepped in advance, just look in the description box below and you can click on the timestamp to be able to jump to that section. But watch on to the end and then watch that recipe later on. So when it comes to my foods, the plan is to stick to 1 or 2 meals because I'm very busy during the week. So I don't have much time to be cooking something new every day. So this is what I've always done for meals for the whole family. And now I'm doing it for my meals as well, which is cook at the beginning of the week, freeze the ones that need to freeze, the ones that can go in the fridge, they go in the fridge, and then that's what we eat all throughout the week. So that's what I've done with my meal prep. I've cooked 2 meals that I repeat, and I do that just to keep things simple. If I try to do something different every single day, I will quickly get tired of prepping and all of that for the meals. Like I mentioned in previous videos, I have done keto before, and it can be really time consuming to prep and cook different meals. Like if you're someone that normally eats something different every day, that for me it's too time consuming. So I keep it simple. I'll change every week, but for this week I'll do 2 meals, and I'll either eat 1 meal back to back and then eat the second meal back to back, or I'll alternate them. But the point is I just keep it to 1 or 2 meals for the week, and that's what I eat, and then I think of something else to cook for the following week. So previous videos I've done, I have put videos of me cooking the meal at the end of my videos, so you can always look back to what I cooked for previous weeks. So plan for the week: intermittent fasting, so from the last meal in the evening till lunch the following day. That's my fasting period, and then I break with a shake or a booster, JuicePlus booster. And I'll put all the links below for if you want to have a look into the JuicePlus products that I use. So I'll break my fast with either a shake or just a booster, and then I have my dinner, which is my main meal. And that is what I'm going to focus and get back into routine with this week. I continue drinking lots and lots of water, no juice or sweetened drinks or anything like that. If I'm going to have any sweetened drinks, it would have to be zero sugar. But I try not to have so much of those. And this week I am going to get on to finding a private teacher for my swimming, which I mentioned in a previous video that I want to learn to swim so that I can use that as my exercise, because I love being in water. So I am going to get on that this week and hopefully start lessons as soon as I can. So I'll let you know how I get on with that. So when it comes to my video updates, I've decided to do one video upload a week, and that's because when I did 2 last week, I just felt the midweek video didn't have much content, and so I have decided to just do 1 a week where I let you know how the week went and what my progress has been like and what my plan is for the following week. I think that would be a lot better for yourselves and for me if we have 1 good quality upload instead of 2 that doesn't have much content in it. I hope that's informative for you. Do subscribe if you want to continue to see how I get on with my weight loss journey, and I will be back next Sunday with a new upload showing my weight loss, hopefully, and update on my measurements. So coming up next are the videos of me cooking my meal for this week. So until next time, see you. Bye.
you. Love it when I get so high and drop that ass so